Last week Nothing dropped a teaser hinting at the Ear-A-TWS earbuds launching soon. Now it will happen on April 18th. Nothing launches Ear-A with 2 new products that reflect the culmination of 3 years of design and innovation. Nothing Ear-A will also debut a new color variant that evokes a certain yellow handheld. According to leaked renders and images, both earbuds will include the same clear, square case as earlier models. The Ear and the more compact Ear-A will be available in black and white, with the latter also available in a Playdate yellow variant that applies to the case and the earbuds themselves. The Ear-A will feature an IP54 rating for the earbuds and an IP55 rating for the case. The higher-end earbuds, meanwhile, will carry an IP54 rating, while the case gets IPX2 splash resistance. Battery life has also reportedly been boosted slightly for the newest Nothing generation. The Nothing Ear's battery will last 7.5 hours with active noise cancellation turned off and 33 hours with the case. The Ear-A will offer 8 hours of playback with ANC off and 38 hours with the included case. Both earbuds will include a fast charging feature that will give you 10 hours of usage from a 10-minute charge. According to the leak, Nothing Ear will run a €150 price tag, the same as Ear 2, while Ear-A will be €100. We're looking forward to their official launch next week. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.